In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to follow someone on Instagram. Whether you're brand new to the app or you just want a quick refresher, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to follow accounts you like in a couple of different ways. Let's start from your Instagram home feed. This is the main screen you see right after you log in, where all the posts from people you already follow appear. If you're not there yet, open Instagram in your browser or the app and make sure you're on the home page so you can see your feed of posts. As you scroll through your home feed, you'll see posts from different accounts. When you come across an account that interests you, look towards the top right corner of that post for a small follow icon or button. Clicking this button will instantly follow that account. This is the fastest way to follow people you discover while you're casually browsing your feed. Once you follow them, their future posts will start showing up on your home feed automatically. Now, another great way to find new accounts is by using the Explore section. On the left-hand column of Instagram on desktop, or at the bottom of the app on mobile, you'll see an option labeled Explore, often represented by a magnifying glass icon. Go ahead and click Explore. This opens a page full of recommended photos, videos, and reels based on what Instagram thinks you might like. From here, scroll until you see a post that catches your eye. When you find something you like, click directly on that post to open it. This will expand the post so you can see it more clearly, along with the account name and more details. At the top of this open post, right next to the account name, you'll see a follow button. Click follow, and you're now following that account. This is perfect when you discover a creator or brand through a single post and want to see more of their content in the future. Finally, you can also follow someone directly from their profile page. If you're viewing a post and want to know more about the person behind it, just click on their name or profile picture to open their full profile dashboard. On their profile, you'll see a follow button near the top. Click that and you'll start following them from there. And that's it. You now know how to follow people from your home feed, from Explore, and from their profile page on Instagram.